Wondering how to place MIS and cover orders on Kotak Neo? Follow these simple steps to learn more. Click on Buy and Sell button. Here in the order forms, switch to the Intraday tab. Now, by default, product type MIS will be pre-selected. You can switch and choose between two intraday order types, that is MIS and cover order. In this demo, let's enter the quantity in the number of shares option and take 1 unit for example. You can set the price with limit order and specify a particular value, or select the market price if you want to place the order in the current market price. Now, let's take 110 as the limit price in this example and product type as MIS. Under MIS, your open positions are auto squared off if your losses exceed a threshold of 70% of your overall margin. All MIS and cover order open positions are auto squared off at 3:20 p.m. By selecting cover order, you will be able to set a stop loss price and trigger while placing the order. Here you can see the required and available margin. You can click here now to review the order summary. And once you are good to proceed, click on Swipe to Buy. Let's also take a look at the cover order type, which also helps you to place an order with a stop loss. To place a cover order, select the product type as cover order on the order form and enter the buying price. And now enter the stop loss trigger here. And now just click on Swipe to Buy to place the order. Check your open orders by clicking on the Orders tab. Click on the order to review the detailed status. Here, you can see our cover order with the buy order that was placed initially. Followed by is the stop loss order placed under the cover order. Thank you for watching.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.